Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today is the big day. Comparing my three different cloud paints. I have Satin Enamel, I have Behr Marquee, and I have Colorplace Interior Latex Satin Paints by Walmart. And I'm just going to get right with this because I think this is going to be a very long video. So what I'm going to do now is I have all my paints already mixed up. And I'm just going to try these out on little tiles. So yeah, let's get with it. So I know I already mixed these, but what I didn't do was add the water. I did say that these paints were mixed. The water is already in here though. The paints are mixed. This one, let's just check this out. Yeah, this should be the proper consistency. That looks good. This is a little thicker, so we're going to add some water to this. And we're going to need, because if you remember what I said when we did mix that, we were mixing them and they were going to be the consistency for a cloud pour. And then if we wanted to add, if we wanted to use it for a pearl pour, we were going to add a little water, and that's exactly what I just did here. I added a few drops of water, and this looks pretty good here. And I'm just going to use one color in each. Okay, let's pour a little of this. This is the Colorplace. That also looks pretty thick. So I'm going to add a little drop of water into this also. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Okay, so let's start out by flooding our canvas or our tile, as it is in this case. Okay. Just going to move my white paints back so we don't get any paint on there. And I'm going to, I'm going to close off this video for a while. Come back in about half hour and see how all of these are developing. But I see nice development on each and every one of them so far. Okay, be right back. about an hour has passed and I got lots of reactions here. I'm not too sure about this paint over here, this Colorplace. I'm wondering if there was something else mixed in with that. I'm gonna have to, I may redo this one again, but we got excellent results. This was the Satin Enamel. And that had, that paint was a cobalt blue hue from Liquitex. So it was just the Satin Enamel, cloud paint, or rather pearl paint, mixed with a little, it was the cloud paint mixed with a little water, and that one color, cobalt blue hue from Liquitex. And this one here in the middle is the Behr Satin Enamel, and that was the Marquee. That was this one. And you get the sample at Home Depot, and I think it was $4.98 if I'm not mistaken. And that's what I used. And I'll put all the recipes down below. And with that, I used Matisse. Let's see, yes, it was the Matisse Ocean Blue. On this middle one. And it's a little, the reaction is a little different. A lot different from that. But we did get a reaction. So I'll try that again with something bigger. And my last one here was the Colorplace Interior Satin Latex. And I said I'm a little curious about this. I may have to remix this paint and try it once more. And that was with the Matisse. And it was the Matisse. I'll have to look that paint up and I'll put that down below, because at this point I am not remembering what that color was. So yeah, so this was our experiment. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly enjoyed doing it. Have a great day. I will come bring you down for a close-up to see how all of this looks close together. And yeah, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for coming. Dawn from Hollywood, signing off. Bye-bye now. Hi, I'm not exactly sure what happened with my Colorplace Interior Satin, so I'm going to remix this. Okay, back, I have my tile here. And yesterday I did use my Matisse Prussian Blue on this tile. Let me show you how that one came out. This is how that came out. That's why I thought there was something wrong with that mixture. It just didn't look right. So we're going to try this now. And let's see what happens here. I'm going to pour that. Okay, so about 20 minutes has passed, and I actually don't see much of a difference between that tile and this tile. So I'm thinking that Colorplace that I had in that other bottle was just Colorplace. and I mixed this up for no reason at all. But what I'm going to try and do here is I'm just going to, I don't know, maybe pour on top of this out of curiosity. Where is that? Yeah, I'm going to pour some on top of this. Gonna get some of this Colorplace. Pour some in here. I'm going to add a little water into this. I'm actually going to pour right on top of this tile here. It's been about a half an hour and this has really developed into something quite beautiful. So I'm gonna think that it wasn't the paint, the Colorplace that was a problem. I'm gonna believe that it was the Matisse that maybe this paint was just a little bit too old hanging around here. So this really turned out beautiful. I hope you enjoyed today's pour and the test that I did today. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I hope you stayed to the end with these extra pours. It was really enjoyable today. Thank you for coming. Donna from Hollywood signing.